potential. For a brochure, call Catholic University at 888-983-4747.
What are you doing?
That's 888-983-4747.
Don't eat the camera.
Convenient, discreet, confidential.
Weirdo.
Lab Test Now offers professional, affordable lab testing.
Need to know who the father of your child is? Need to know if you're the father? Any Lab Test Now is your local DNA experts and offers affordable and convenient DNA professionally trained DNA technicians. We can tell you with 99% accuracy. Save time, money, and hassle.
Get to any Lab Test Now and get mine today.
With the right business training, you could land a career in just about any industry. The U.S. Department of Labor has some pretty astounding statistics. Between now and 2016, business office and administrative support occupations will provide 7 million job openings.
You look like a
Learn
chicken.
the fundamentals of business management, marketing, and customer service at Vatterott to help land those jobs.
Call Vatterott College at 1-888-208-404.
Come on, Squirt, you're no fun.
Vatterott-skills3.com.
Time for Tell It Tomorrow.
You.
Our viewers give me your point of view. Would you
How do you do that, Squirt? That's gross.
Call 1-699-MARK to tell me your thing. You'll receive several exclusive offers when you so call 1-699-MARI right now. It's paternity with.
Come on, let me see your face.
Samantha is here to lie today, saying that I am the father of her son, and I am 100% positive that I am not the father. Samantha and I only had sex one time, and we both used protection. And you know what? I've seen
He was at the door.
nothing like that.
He was at the door.
Johnson problem.